Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade descaler for your Breville Barista Express. Here's what we need. Only thing you need is the citric acid. I got this one from Amazon. I tried with the vinegar for my Breville Barista Express or Pro or any espresso machines, but for my experience, citric acid works the best. If not, you can buy the Descaler solution from Amazon as well. But if you're trying to save some money, go with the citric acid. So here's the formula: 1 liter of water to 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons is equivalent to 28 grams. So 14 grams per tablespoon, so 28 grams. So Breville Barista Express has 2 liter capacity. So you're looking at 56 grams of citric acid. So we're just going to simply add 56 grams of citric acid. I'm going to add some little bit of warm water. I'm going to mix it well and put it in, and then we can do the descaling. Look like a lot, but this is about 4 tablespoons, about 56 grams of citric acid. I'm just going to simply add hot water into it. We are going to mix it well. Nice and clear. Simply add into. Make sure to remove the filter. Make sure you have a full tank of water. And then you're going to add the rest, all citric acid going in. And then after this, just make sure to stir it. First, shut the machine off. Second, cup button, hold it down. Power button, just hold it. Now we have a single cup button light on. Lights on the bottom, and also power button is light on. And I'm going to start with the group head first. Press the button. It should stop automatically. And after that, going through hot water. And steam 1 as well. As you can see, we are going to start with the group head, hot water, and steam 1. We are going to repeat the process until water is all the way down to the bottom. After that, introduce fresh water. Okay, just dump the water out, introduce the fresh water, repeat the process again, and after that you should be good to go. I hope this video helps. I'm going to see you guys next time.